Hello, welcome to another video of Draw With Me. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far, and today I'm going to be illustrating a landscape. It seems like a lot of you actually like these calm Draw With Me videos where I draw some landscapes, or those ASMR drawing videos that I post now and then. But this time I'll be doing it without the ASMR sound because I'm filming it during the day and it's hard to catch those delicate sounds during the day. So I had this dilemma. So to film these ASMR videos, I should be filming them at night because it's much quieter at night and the sound quality gets better. But then the filming quality, the image quality drops tremendously. So yeah, I prefer to actually film during the day and do the voiceovers at night. But I don't know, let me know what you think. Do you enjoy watching those ASMR videos more? Or what do you prefer? Speaking of these videos, some people have messaged me and also commented if they can use those illustrations I did as their desktop wallpaper. I'm very flattered to think that, like everyone uses their computer every day almost. So basically they'll be looking at my drawing every day. And that's a crazy thought. That's really flattering. So thank you. I currently don't have it for the desktop. And one day I'd like to open up my own website where you can download them from. But that will come one day, my friends. But good news for you, I've been posting phone wallpapers on my Instagram where you can just screenshot the illustrations to use as your background on your phone. I have them on my Instagram highlights called wallpapers, and there I've saved some patterns I made and some illustrations as well, so you can just screenshot them and use them as your wallpaper. So yeah, feel free to check it out. So I've been really enjoying to draw the landscapes lately, and a few days ago I drew an illustration with a mountain. I wanted to try drawing them with different shades on the different sides of the mountains. Well, I didn't especially look at a landscape photo for a reference because basically I just thought of my hometown. I'm from a part of the country where there's a lot of mountains around. And yeah, so I thought of that and started to sketch and settled with one that I liked. I started to color and I really liked how it turned out at the end. So I thought, why not make another one in the same concept? So in the new drawing I'm doing here, I am gonna be framing the picture in the same way with the colored border. I also liked how the elements are just poking out of the frame, like how the tree is halfway out of the frame. So I'll do something like that as well, and I'll use the same brushes. Well, actually I've been using this dry ink brush all the time nowadays when I do the illustrations. I'm using this brush for every single drawing I do nowadays, from the sketch to the finish. I'm not even using the 6B pencil anymore like I used to either. I remember that I expressed my love for the 6B pencil in my first Draw With Me video, but nope, that has not changed and it is now a history. I'm using this color palette with autumn tones like brown, warm pink, light brown, dark brown, or the shades of brown. You get the idea. So yeah, I think I've been really into drawing much more lately because of this color palette. I love how these illustrations with these colors have such a cozy autumn vibes. So I'll be drawing some illustrations using these colors, and I can see from my Procreate first page where the paintings are laid out. And I get excited thinking of the next painting. I'll be thinking perhaps for the next drawing, different things to draw, different colors within this color palette, and I've been drawing more variety of the subject matters. So every free time I have, I've been cuddling up at the corner of the sofa just drawing away. It's a really cozy, good way of spending the time, although it comes with a sacrifice of what's called a back pain. Once I start to draw and get in the mode, the zone, I'll forget to get up and stretch. It's such a bad habit, I know. And I like to remind myself more often to stretch, but I keep on forgetting it. Otherwise, the weather is getting colder and it's getting dark much earlier nowadays that I just don't have much urge to go outside if I don't have to, now that we're speaking of moving around. I'm such a homebody that I just don't mind just being at home on days like this. And when I have some errands to run, then I'll collect all the things I need to do and do everything just in one day. You know, it's about saving the energy. Well, on the other hand, if the weather is really warm outside, then I love just being out and spending the day outside. This is the final painting. I like how it came out, and I also like how it looks next to the first illustration that I did that I got the idea from. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you actually drew with me, hope that was cozy to have a company. And at the end, I just hope you guys had a good time watching me draw and talk to you guys. So I'll see you in the next video then. Bye!